Hey guys, Glory here, and today I am going to be reviewing the update. Oh my god, okay. I'm so excited. But first of all, VANNIE09 has sent me a gift, and I'm really excited about this gift. So, yep, she did the cat face. Let's go. Let's see. Haven't seen it yet. Okay, I'm really excited because she said it was a masterpiece. Baker bunnies, yes. Baker bunnies. Oh, okay. And this is gonna be the masterpiece. Oh my god, I love it so much. Yes! Look at it! Keep it. Oh my god! I love it. Love it so much. Thank you so much. I have to put it in my den. I have to put it in my den. I have to put it in my den. This is so cool. Oh my gosh, love it. Oh my god. Two fan art masterpieces in a row. It's amazing. This is crazy. What? I'm gonna put both of these beside each other because this is crazy. Thank you so much. Oh my god, I need to see it. Baker Bunnies. I love it so much. This is, if you don't know who the Baker Bunnies are, then you clearly haven't watched like one of my first ever animal videos. See this? This is a Baker Bunny. I did a lot of role plays before I started YouTube, and it was of Baker Bunnies, and it is just, I love it so much. So thank you so much, VANNIE09. Shout out to you for the awesome masterpiece. And let's get into the video. Again, thank you so much. This is so cute. I love it. Look at that. And the earrings. Oh my gosh. Yes. Oh my god. Wait. Oh geez. The Joe Easter egg. Oh, damn it. Oh my god. I love the Joe Easter egg. Oh, darn it. I love the Joe Easter egg you put. Darn it. Okay, but VANNIE09, if you watch this video, I love the Joe Easter egg you put in here. Joe. If you don't know who Joe is, this earring right here. That is Joe. Oh, I love it. Thank you. And I made Joe. Yes. Joe. Alright, so again, thank you so much, VANNIE09, for the masterpiece. And now, let's get into the update. Woo. Thanks much. Again, take a look at this beautiful art. And now, for the update time. Of course, the best comes first. Skunks are here. I don't even have to look at this. If you want to read that, you can read that. But, oh my gosh. I would say we got, look at that. I've never had so many diamonds. Actually, before I almost had 200 diamonds, but I kind of spent it on stuff. Oh my god! Look, it's a skunk. Guys, that's a skunk. In it. That's a skunk. Oh my gosh, I need to name it. Oh my god, what am I gonna name you? Gonna name you Count. Okay, I've come up with a name, and yep, I'm back. Count Spirit Jammer seems perfect for this nice little spunk. Yeah, my spunk. This is amazing. Oh my god. Oh my god, look, it's so cute. I always wanted this skunk. Oh my god. This is so cute, and I love it so much. I love this new animal. Love this. This is the best animal ever. It's so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, we have to see what the best items look on it. Oh my god. These are the cutest things in Animal Jam. Not the Wizard of Oz kind. Wait, what? Oh my gosh, I love this. Oh my god, doing the tingle. Wait a second. I'm gonna try and put my main look on this outfit. I'm going to see what it looks like. Okay, so There's the red lung. Oh my god, it already looks amazing. I just love this animal so much. Remember a few days ago how I did the interview and they said that the flower crown looks amazing? And it really does. Oh my gosh. This animal's amazing and I love it so much. Oh, those round glasses. I'm definitely making a look with the round glasses. That is so good. Oh my gosh. I love the skunk so much. Okay. And I just need to get my candy cane socks. Oh, yay. Someone's buying my stuff. Socks. And then it's complete. Thank you for buying my stuff. This is so cute. I love this. Oh my gosh, look. Thank you for buying my stuff. Oh my gosh. I love this too much. This is amazing. Oh my god. I love this animal. I'm sorry. Oh my god, I have to search over on glasses again. I'm sorry guys. This is... Honestly, these round glasses look amazing on this animal. And I'm sorry. Oh, I love it. I'm sorry guys. I love this animal so much. I mean, how could you not love that? That is just the best thing you've ever seen in your life, probably. Okay, hold on guys. I need to mute the music. I'm sorry. This is a bit too loud. Oh my god. You know what? I'm gonna go get the other round glasses. Other color. We could go with that maybe, or we can go with the black and red. You know what? We're gonna try doing a flower crown outfit. The flower crown. Then we can get on to the next thing. Maybe we should do a red. Should we do an orange? Or a white one? I'm not sure. Maybe we'll go with an orange one. Because I don't make many orange long outfits. And I really love getting yellow for doing this. Okay. The galoshes. These are adorable. Oh my god, I love this so much. Okay, so, I'll probably change the outfit later, but for now, we should probably get into the other updates. So, pet skunks are back. That's pretty nice. You can read that if you want. That's nice. The Lucky Castle's back. I already have the Lucky Castle. For now, I'm gonna stay in my little, den here. My fan art den. Lucky items and Clover armor is back. I'm gonna go check out what the new item is in here. Ooh, a Clover fountain. That's pretty cool. And now let's check over here. Oh, I just love the skunk so much. Oh, and the Clover one is back. It is in here. Nice. Oh, and these leprechaun slippers, of course. Beautiful. Okay, and no, trading. Animal Jam. Why would you do it? Did you know? Okay. Click, 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 click. That's how I do art. Also, that's some cool art you have there. Cool. Okay, so this update was pretty amazing. Especially the new art that VANNIE09 gave me. So thank you so much, VANNIE09. And thank you, Animal Jam, for finally releasing these skunks. I love them too much. Love them just so much. Oh my god. VANNIE09, that's the best skunk outfit you've ever made in your life. Oh my gosh. Okay. So thank you again, VANNIE09, for making this masterpiece for me of the Baker Bunnies. And this update was amazing. I love the skunks so much. And guys, this is gonna be the end of the video. Peace out. Goodbye.